Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thanks for sliding to my video. And as the thumbnail says, it says I'm going to be teaching you guys how to pin more than 50 or up to 50 chats on WhatsApp. As you can see, if I try to pin more than 3, it says you can only pin up to 3. So you can't do that unless you know these steps, and it's very tricky, but it's easy to understand. But before I continue, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and also happy new year to every one of my subscribers, to every viewer, everyone supporting this channel. I really appreciate. Thanks, best wishes for this year 2022. As the time of recording, this is January 1st, so I wish you guys a prosperous year. Now let's move. So before we continue, let's start. So now I'm going to try to pin. First, you pin the 3, because it's only 3 you can pin on normal, on a norm. You can pin only 3, so then you pin it. It has already pinned. Then what you have to do, you have to long press it again. You have to select. Then what you do, you achieve charts. You click on achieve charts. You click on this pin it, then you undo. This is it. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4? If you guys don't still understand, I'm using WhatsApp Business here, so on a number, if you want to, the stuff is always showing here, the achieve is always showing here, but because this is WhatsApp, it's WhatsApp Business, it's going to be showing here. It's going to be showing at this section here. So anyways, it's all same, the same everything. What you have to do, just long press. You have to long press the ones you have pinned. You achieve it before the undo button disappears. You have to pin another chat, and then you undo everything together. Now like this, I've pinned 4. Then you click on achieve, pin a chat, then you undo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pin a chat, then you undo. Can you see? So this is it now. That's how you do it. If you don't understand, you can comment, drop a comment, so I can either message me. Don't worry, you can just comment, and then I'll see what to do about that. So let's try another one again. We have tried 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's achieve those 5s again. You achieve before the undo disappears. You pin a chat, undo everything together. Now we have selected achieve charts. Click long press, pin and undo. So can you see? So let's remove everything again. Let's remove everything again. So like this, now I've removed everything. There's no chat pinned again. Now this is it. Look at it. If I want to pin another one again, see, you can only pin 3 chats, but I pinned up to 5. So let me try it again so you guys can see it. So let me unpin, and let's start again. 3. First you pin the 3 you can pin. You achieve, pin a chat fast, and then you undo everything. See, that's all. If you guys understand, like this video, share to friends and family, and I hope I see you in my next video.